Master the art of paraphrasing without plagiarizing. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to dive into a very important topic, paraphrasing. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to paraphrase effectively while avoiding plagiarism. Paraphrasing is a fundamental skill in English language learning, especially for writing and speaking. It helps us convey others' ideas in our own words. However, it's crucial to avoid plagiarism while doing so. Paraphrasing is the act of expressing someone else's ideas in your own words. When we paraphrase, we maintain the original idea but use different words and sentence structures. On the other hand, plagiarism is the practice of using someone else's work or ideas without giving them proper credit, making it appear as if it's your own. This is a serious ethical issue and can have severe consequences, especially in academic and professional environments. When you're learning a language, it's natural to want to use resources and ideas that you find. However, it's essential to avoid plagiarism and respect others' intellectual property. It's not just about ethics, it's also about improving your language skills. When you paraphrase correctly, it demonstrates your understanding of the original text and helps you practice and enhance your vocabulary and grammar skills. Firstly, read the original text multiple times until you understand the main idea and details. Secondly, take a moment to think about what you've read, making sure you've fully understood the meaning. Thirdly, without looking at the original text, write down the main points in your own words. It's important to not just change a few words or the order of words in a sentence, but to actually rewrite the ideas in a way that makes sense to you. Lastly, compare your paraphrased version with the original text. Ensure that the key points are accurately represented, and the language is sufficiently different. An important step in avoiding plagiarism while paraphrasing is citing the original source. Even if you've paraphrased correctly, you should still credit the original author to avoid any plagiarism accusations. The format of citation may vary depending on the style guide you're following, like APA, MLA, etc. However, the key is to always attribute the ideas to the original source. Paraphrasing is a valuable skill that can significantly enhance your English language learning journey. By practicing effective paraphrasing and avoiding plagiarism, you not only respect others' work but also demonstrate your understanding and command of the language. Remember, the goal of paraphrasing is not just to avoid plagiarism but to understand, absorb, and communicate ideas effectively. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of paraphrasing. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!